Mastering double-digit addition with regrouping. Hello, language learners and math enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a special section of our English language learning journey that ties up with a basic mathematical operation. It's all about double-digit addition with regrouping. This might sound a bit complicated, but don't worry. We're going to walk through it step by step, and I promise, by the end of this video, you'll be able to understand and use this concept effectively. To start, we need to know what double-digit numbers are. These are numbers that have two digits, ranging from 10 to 99. Examples are 12, 37, 45, 68, and so on. When we say addition, it's about combining these numbers to find their total or sum. Next, let's talk about regrouping. Regrouping in addition is when you add numbers together and the sum is greater than 10, so you have to carry the value to the next column. This might sound a little abstract now, but don't worry. We're about to look at an example that will make this clear. Before we jump into regrouping, let's start with a simple addition problem where regrouping is not needed. Consider this example. 34 plus 25. We add each column separately, starting from the right, units. So, 4 units of the first number plus 5 units of the second number equals 9 units. Then, we add the tens. 3 tens of the first number plus 2 tens of the second number equals 5 tens. Our final answer is 59. Now, it's time for double-digit addition with regrouping. Let's look at the problem below. 47 plus 38. If we start from the right like before, we add 7 units of the first number plus 8 units of the second number. But wait, 7 plus 8 equals 15, a double-digit number itself. So, we write down the units digit, 5, and carry the tens digit, 1, over to the next column, the tens place. The process is called regrouping. Now, adding the tens, we have 4 tens of the first number, plus 3 tens of the second number, plus 1, the carried number, which equals 8. The final answer is 85. And there you have it. That's how we do double-digit addition with regrouping. It might seem a bit tricky at first, but with a bit of practice, you'll master it in no time. Keep practicing and remember, patience and persistence are your keys to success. I hope you found this video helpful, and I can't wait to see you in our next session. Happy learning!